whole weeks, this is also carried out in greenhouse. And coming to the results, in tomato, you can see per row we harvested 80 kgs per row in the control, whereas in panic, the farmers have harvested 117 kgs per row. It's almost 30%, 31% more to be precise, which makes the farmer more happy. Coming to cucumber, it is 52 kgs per row in control and 62 kgs per row in panic treated, that is 21% more. And European cucumber, it is 1.5 kgs per plant, and panic it is 1.9 kgs per plant, which is around 18% more. And in Rabi, this is in field conditions, grain per acre. So this is 13 grams and this is 18 grams, around 36% increase. And in cabbage, it is 15.2 tons, whereas in panic it is 18.4. So 21% increase. Rich gourd also there is increase. Chili also there is increase of approximately 16%. And marigold is increase of 30%. And this is lettuce, there is increase of 13%. This is a recent study, Nanjangud Rasavali, it's an endemic species to Mysore, which has got a GI tag. So even in this, we did notice a 29% increase of this Nanjangud Rasavali. It's a very endemic banana with a very good aroma. So not only the fruits, the yield is important, even because when you go to the market, usually the fruits are segregated based on the size. Bigger fruits, bigger vegetables fetch premium market, and based on grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So what we noticed is majority of the fruits are of bigger size compared to the control. In the case of cabbage, drumstick, and also we did notice an improvement in fruit weight also. This is the case of rabi, cabbage, and also we did look into some of the biomarkers, mainly the chlorophyll content. We did find an improvement in the chlorophyll content. In case of marigold, chili, and rich gourd, we did only few trials to see not only physically, even biochemically there is any difference. We did notice some difference. And also we did some DNA RFID analysis or found that some 22% variation in case of cabbage, 47% variation in rich gourd, and 24% in chili. So why this happens, really we don't know, because we want to look at the mechanism, why this happens, what is the role behind it. I mean, is there any enzymes playing in this, the DNA uplifting, down regulation, we really don't know. And we are open for collaboration. Anybody who wants to the higher marketability. So one of the vision, farmers double income, probably this can also address, which is our Indian government's vision for 2030. And this pranic agriculture also addresses some of the UN Nations Sustainable Developmental Goals. And see, these data are presented. This is also we are open for collaboration, because many people who have eaten these fruits or vegetables, they mentioned it as got a very good sensory and nutritional qualities and enhanced shelf life. For example, tomatoes, if you can keep the control for 7 days, pranic you can keep for 10 to 12 days. We need to scientifically validate all these results. And many of the farmers who practice, they mention that they have a de-stressing effect on their mind. So this is also, we need to look at the scientific view. And some of the farmers mention that the use of fertilizers and pesticides has been reduced when they use pranic agriculture in the field. Of course, this also needs to be validated. And lesser weeds is noticed in pranic agriculture. Some of the farmers they have mentioned. Of course, all these data, I am saying, of course, we don't have data. We need to be scientifically study these. And we have given some free training for farmers near Mysore. So the farmers came, they learned this technique. Around 60 farmers they registered for this workshop, but hardly only 15 came. In this 15, none.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. We are running out of time and we would appreciate if you would conclude.
I finished.
Thank you.
So this year we published a paper on pranic agriculture, the holistic approach for UN Sustainable Developmental Goals, and also a systematic review on pranic agriculture. So this prana is not only used for plants, it can also be used on humans. It's called pranic healing. So we did some study on